Welcome to TechAliber channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome slow or lagging issue on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now at first, just go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. I'm just gonna go to search and search for Google Chrome. Then just gonna open up it from here. And from here, what I need to do is just on the top right side, just click on the three dot icon. From here, you need to just go inside extensions, just expand this and click on manage extensions. Now, if you are using Chrome for a while, you're gonna be installing multiple extensions. I do not have that much, but if you do have, just from here, install or remove the unnecessary extensions. And trust me, just do it and it will help your system. And after that, what you can do is just click on the three dot icon again. From here, just go to settings. From the settings, you need to go to systems. From here, you need to make sure under system, continue running background apps when Chrome is closed is turned off. This is not gonna allow Chrome to run background processes when the Chrome is off. And after that, what you have to do is just go to performance. From performance, go under memory and make sure the memory saver is turned on. And then what you can do is just click on the three dot icon again, go to delete browsing data, and make sure to delete all the browsing data, cookies, and cached images and everything. And this will make your Chrome faster. And again, the last step, what you can do is just click on the three dot icon again, click on settings, and after that on the left hand menu, just go to reset settings. From here, just click on reset settings to their original defaults, then just click on reset settings. And this is basically gonna reset Chrome to the default settings and make sure you're not lagging anymore. And basically that is how to fix Chrome lagging or slow issue on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.